I am the Process Maintenance Supervisor. I oversee the whole wet end side of the plant. I maintain all the equipment from the receiving end all the way to our, what we call the tote fill room. Oh, well, Pasco is pretty interesting. So it always changes, but as far as a typical day, come in, meet with my crew, go over any safety topics or daily tasks. And then, obviously we got some morning meetings that we go over as plant objectives and what's going on for the day. And then as problems arise, we get it addressed and move on from there, making sure my guys are getting their PMs done and the work orders done that's scheduled for the day, building the schedule throughout the week, obviously checking my downtime and my budget. So that's pretty much the gist of that. If we keep our equipment maintained and running, that's that much more pounds coming out of the plant, and that's that much more food that's being distributed to the world. Things that I like to look for in individuals, and that's you show up to work, you have a good attitude, and the willingness to learn and develop. So those would be, and you have those three traits, you can move up into the company, as I have, and there are three basic traits that I would give advice to anybody that's coming in. Yep, I mean, again, 6.5 years, and I've moved up in 2 positions, and yeah, so as long as you work hard and you learn and develop and you show up to work and you have a good attitude, then great things will happen to you. Being here from the very beginning of the plant, when we started up in Simplot, I started off as a mechanic and then worked my way up to a lead and then supervisor role. So I feel like I have a pretty big ownership part of this plant being here from the beginning, so yeah, I love it.